Hello guys, it's Mr. Creative here, again with another survival type video. Today we're going to be looking at this miniature fishing survival kit I built. Keep in mind this is not a survival kit, this is just the fishing section of a survival kit. And this is about the palm of my hand size. It's pretty small and will work really good for fishing where I live at. This will work in streams and rivers pretty much, but will not work on like ocean fishing and stuff like that. So the first thing you'll notice is that the outside tin has electrical tape around it to waterproof it. So we will take that off first. And I'll set that off to the side for right now. So you do got a pretty good size of piece of electrical tape. Okay, so we'll open up the tin and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so the first thing on the very top is going to be this reflector. This also has a small swivel on it so it spins when it's in the water. You also put a weight on the one side so it kind of sits like this in the water. And so the weight with the hook is right here, and then you also have the reflector right here. The second item is this fake worm hook thing right here. As you can see, has like these little frayed ends right here and it's all rubbery. It also has like this little eye thing, which I think is kind of cool. And then you can see the hook right there and the little loop you put your swivel through. Also along with that you have one of these pink fluffy ones which could imitate many different underwater life. And this will definitely catch fish. I've caught fish many times with this one lure. Okay, we also have a backup fake worm right here. So this can be used really good, and this really helps. It spins around in like a worm when you have it in the water. Right here we have another one of these kind of frayed end hook things, except it doesn't have a hook in it right now, but we'll get onto the hooks in a little bit and I can show you what you could put through here. Okay, here we have our hook section, which we have many different barbed hooks, many different sizes of hooks. This is pretty much a whole set of hooks right here put into this little piece of pool noodle. You probably saw this on my other survival kit video, which you can check out in the description of this video. Yes, so you got barbed hooks and many different types of hooks which can help you to use these worms. We got another reflector with a weight and a grappling hook kind of setup. This thing I found in a riverbed and I've used it many times and it works really good. We also have a swivel right here and 2 lead weights. This could also be used for if you're trying to get paracord or something over a tree branch that's high up. You can use this as a counterweight to throw over the tree branch, which is probably a really good idea in your survival situation. And tucked around in the edge here we have a whole bunch of fishing line which we can use in correspondence with a stick to make a pretty good fishing pole. Tie all this together and you got a pretty good fishing kit. So yeah, I hope this gives you a pretty good idea of a micro pocket-sized fishing kit, and I hope that you will build your own. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to stay creative.